Hey friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Paw Patrol decorations. If you're thinking about doing Paw Patrol decorations for your child and it's something that they really love, I'm going to give you some great ideas today to help get you started. Let's get started with blowing up some balloons. Also, make sure you grab my free birthday party checklist that I created just for you. It helps you get started on your next party planning to help you have less stress. Make sure you grab that free checklist before you plan your next party. Let's get this backdrop up. We're first going to start off putting up the Paw Patrol door hanger, and you can be creative. Like, I'm going to use this on the wall to be the middle of my backdrop. You don't have to use it on the door. I'm just hanging it up with some tape and some tacks. And then next we're going to use some curtain fringe to put on either side of the backdrop, and we're going to fold it in half and then use some tacks and tape to hang it up on either side of the Paw Patrol side. And folding the curtain fringe in half instead of cutting it in half will allow you to save it for another time to use. If you needed to use the entire width of it for next time, you just open it back up and use it like you normally would. Okay friends, let's create a balloon collage. I put a piece of tape at the tied end of the balloon and just hang it up on the wall. And creating a balloon collage can be a replacement for a balloon garland. If you need a quick replacement, make sure to just try this way, where you're just putting balloons up one by one on the wall in your desired order. Now let's hang up the happy birthday banner. I'm going to use a tack to hang it up. As I started to put the banner up, I realized that it was too short to hang over the balloons like I wanted it to. So what I just ended up doing was adding some extra string to the end of the banner. So I just had some extra string, and I'm just going to tie it on to make it a little bit longer. And I'm going to do this to both sides of the banner. That was so much better with the extra string. It made it long enough for it to hang on top of the balloons. We're going to add some tape. This is called some mounting tape, where you just take the back off and the front off and stick it to the balloons or whatever you're sticking it to. And I'm going to use these to hang the letter balloons up on the top of the fringe. And it's going to spell out Let's Party instead of Let's Party, because it's Paw Patrols and it's dogs, and so I love that. And I found this from Target. So for this party, let's party. And here we have it, the results for the Paw Patrol decorations.
Behind me are all Paw Patrol, and my name is Rubble, Chase, Marshall, and Scott. We're missing Zuma, Tractor, Everett, and Rocky. My favorite is Amber and Sky. Everett is with snow. I like snow and sky flies. And I wish that we could fly. Let's party. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Don't forget to grab that free party planning checklist and have a royal day.